Okay, so here I'll show you how to get your user and installation manuals for your device. So select the unit you wish to look at, and then up here you've got a manuals tab. So if we click that, and over here you've got the user and the installation guide. This is the same as the guide included in the box when you purchase the unit, but if you've misplaced that, you can click here, and that will take you to the correct installation and user guide. In this case, it's an Ignite wireless system. Over here, you have a manual which you can create for your tenants or your guests. Now, this one's quite clever because it will create a manual based on your bespoke settings. So, for example, if we go to the Locks tab, here it will say what can be done on the thermostat. So let's just set this one up for a typical HMO environment. So we'll set the maximum adjustable temperature to 22 and maybe a minimum to 15. We will lock it into the auto mode. So we'll disable those. And hot water I want left on all the time. So I'll disable this and this. Okay, so now here the only thing the users can do is they can use the boost button and the up and down to adjust between 15 and 22. Now we're happy with the setup of the thermostat. We go back to manuals. Here we can give it a title if we wish, but heating user guide, we'll leave it at that. And then this message here you can customize as well. So it looks like it's already got a message from me on it, so we'll leave it at that, and we can sort of change the phone number if required to 123456. Or we can, or let's just change this to say, or out of office hours, please email with an email address. Once we're happy with that message, we can click on download manual, and it will create a PDF copy of a manual with the title we gave it, the instructions based on the locks and the settings we put on the thermostat, and then that message at the bottom appears here. And then you can print that out, and you can put that next to a thermostat or on your notice board.